Over 200 flights cancelled in Istanbul due to expected snowstorm. Turkish Airlines (THY) announced on Saturday that a total of 238 flights scheduled for February 5th and 6th were cancelled due to the expected harsh, snowy weather conditions in Istanbul. In the statement made by the THY press office, it was stated that the cancellation decisions were taken by the conclusion of the Meteorological Emergency Committee, MADKOM. The statement warned citizens to check their flights before arriving at the airport. Due to the expected snowfall in Istanbul, as per the MADKOM decision, flights were cancelled at Istanbul airport on February 5th and 6th. It said 238 flights from and to Istanbul airport have been cancelled. 72 of them are domestic flights and 166 are international flights. Due to the operation, the number of cancellations is likely to increase.
For different news, please subscribe EyeNews365 and click on all notification bell to get every news instantly to get yourself updated.